ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाख्या बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 626। भगवान भाष्यकार is giving sangati between Maitreyi Brahmana and Madhu Brahmana, and he said the pratignya atma eva idam sarvam, it is being fulfilled by the hetu atmaika samanyatvam, atmaika udbhavatvam, atmaika pralayatvam cha. If there is an ashanka for hetu asiddhi, then that shanka nivaranam is done by Madhu Brahmana. In Tika, second last line, विमतम एक कारणकम परस्पर उपकार्य उपकारक भूतत्वात् स्वप्नवत्. Siddhanti said that if there are two things which are paraspara upakarya upakaraka, then both of them, they have some bhinna karanam. So here in case of Jagat, Jagat is paraspara upakarya upakari or upakaraka upakarya upakaraka, and therefore its utpatti is from Chaitanyam. Purvapaksha is doing this anumanam. He says this is ayuktam. Eka karanakam paraspara upakarya upakaraka bhutatvat swapnavat. This is ayuktam. This anumanam is not correct. Why? Hetu asiddhehe. Hetu asiddhi is there. Where did you prove that there is paraspara upakarya upakarakatvam? So this is going to be proved in Madhu Brahmana. In Madhu Brahmana, paraspara upakarya upakarakatvam will be proved. How? In this Jagat, there is Adhibhuta, Adhidaiva, Adhyatma. All of them will be put together. So they all help each other to function. Idam Jagat. Vimatam will be Idam Jagat. Like in Bhagavad Gita, Paraspara Upakarya Upakarakatvam is shown in 3rd chapter between Devatas and Manushyas. Parasparam bhavayantah shreya paramavapsyatha. So ishtan bhogan hi wo devaha dasyante yajna bhavitaha tairdattana pradayebhyaha yo bhunkte stena evasa. So in that paraspara, Manushyas, they have to do offerings to Devatas. Devatas will bless them with some phalam, karma phalam. In this way, they are paraspara upakarya upakaraka. Therefore, none of them are really karana for each other. Karana is something else. in टीका नहीं सर्वम हेतु असिद्धे है नहीं सर्वम जगत परस्पर उपकार्य उपकारक भूतम इति आशंक्य आह। इन भाष्य एष ही अर्थो अस्मिन् ब्राह्मणे प्रकाश्यते। दिस अर्थ will be revealed in this brahmana. अस्मिन् ब्राह्मणे प्रकाश्यते। 1 further in टीका अस्मिन् ब्राह्मणे means in this मधु ब्राह्मण हेत्व सिद्धि शंकां परिहर्तुं ब्राह्मणम् इति संगतिम् उक्त्वा प्रकारांतरेण ताम आह। हेतु सिद्धि शंकां परिहर्तुं हेतु असिद्धि शंका परिहार is being done by this brahmana. In this way sangati is already given. Now prakarantarena tam aha. Tam kam online students
संगतिः
संगतिम ताम संगतिम आह अथवा आत्मैवेदं सर्वम् इति प्रतिज्ञातस्य आत्मोपत्ति स्थिति लयत्वं हेतुम् उक्त्वा पुनरागम प्रधानेन मधु ब्राह्मणेन प्रतिज्ञातस्य अर्थस्य निगमनं क्रियते। आत्मा एव इदं सर्वम् दिस इति प्रतिज्ञा आत्मा एव इदं सर्वं प्रतिज्ञातस्य। दिस इज फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर ओनली बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद। आत्मा एव इदं सर्वम् और छांदोग्य 7 चैप्टर प्रतिज्ञातस्य आत्मोपस्थिति लयत्वम् उत्पत्ति स्थिति लयत्वं हेतुम् उक्त्वा पुनः आगम प्रधानेन मधु ब्राह्मणेन प्रतिज्ञातस्य अर्थस्य निगमनं क्रियते। नाउ दिस इज अनदर वे ऑफ लुकिंग एट इज निगमनम। व्हाट इज द स्वरूप ऑफ निगमनम? न्यू स्टूडेंट्स टेल। व्हाट इज निगमनम ऑनलाइन न्यू स्टूडेंट्स?
तस्मात् तथा।
तस्मात् तथा। So tasmat tatha will be tatha is what? Tatha means ukta karanatvat. Tatha means
आत्मैवेदम् इदं सर्वम्।
आत्मा एव इदं सर्वम्। What is प्रतिज्ञात? प्रतिज्ञातस्य अर्थस्य निगमनं क्रियते। टीका प्रतिज्ञा हेतु क्रमेण उक्त्वा हेतु सहितस्य प्रतिज्ञार्थस्य पुनर्वचनम निगमनम इति अत्र तार्किक सम्मतिम आह। प्रतिज्ञा हेतु हेतु इज ह्रस्व और दीर्घ?
दीर्घ।
प्रतिज्ञा हेतु हाउ इट इज दीर्घ?
चौच।
Why चौच? It's just द्विवचनम। प्रतिज्ञा हेतु प्रतिज्ञाश्च हेतु च इति प्रतिज्ञा हेतु तौ क्रमेण उक्त्वा। These two क्रमेण उक्त्वा। First प्रतिज्ञा was done, then प्रतिज्ञा was done in 6th mantra, then 7, 8, 9, 10 all hetus उत्पत्ति स्थिति उत्पत्ति लय स्थान 11 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 हेतु सहितस्य प्रतिज्ञार्थस्य पुनर्वचनम निगमनम इज व्हाट? हेतु सहितस्य प्रतिज्ञार्थस्य पुनर्वचनम। हेतु सहित बिकॉज तस्मात् तस्मात् पर्वतो वन्यमान निगमनम इति अत्र तार्किक सम्मतिम आह। तार्किकादर सम्मत तथा ही नैयायिकैः उक्तम। सी भगवान भाष्यकार even though so much khandanam is done of Nayyayika, when we think that where they are okay, we use there. Nayayika, see, Vyakarana, Nyaya, and Mimamsa. They do upakara for all darshanas. Vyakarana, we don't say what Vyakarana will say as the Atma is true. That we don't say. But that does not mean you are not going to use Vyakarana in your Ashya and Tika. Everything is going to be according to Panini Maharshiji's niyam only, Vyakarana niyam. Like that, Nyaya also, what they say as Atma, we don't accept. What they say as Moksha, we don't accept. But that does not mean you are not going to use the Anumana Vakya, and that Anumana should not have Hetwabhasas. What are the Hetwabhasas? Why first Sat Pratipaksh? Savya Vichara, Viruddha, Sat Pratipaksha, Badhita, and Asiddha. So, if Vedanti does Anumanam, he doesn't say, because we don't accept Nayayika, therefore I can do Anumanam, which can have dosha. No, I will also do Anumanam, which is accurate. Same thing as about Mimamsa. Whatever Mimamsakas have said, that also we accept. Not about Atma, but about so many other things. And in Vyavahara, definitely what Bhattas have said, we accept. नैयायिके ही उक्तम हेतु अपदेशात् प्रतिज्ञायाः पुनर्वचनम निगमनम इति. हेतु अपदेशात्, having mentioned the hetu, then प्रतिज्ञायाः पुनर्वचनम is निगमनम. थर्ड नंबर टिप्पणी, हेतु अपदेशात् इति हेतु संबंधात् प्रतिज्ञायाः प्रतिज्ञात अर्थस्य पुनः कथनम. More you can read later. Now, Bhartru Prapancha comes. Bhartru Prapanchanam Brahmana Arambha Prakaram Anuvadati. Bhartru Prapancha Acharya says the Madhu Brahmana Arambha is for different reason. Means differently he puts Sangati. Anyaihi Vyakhyatam Adundubhir Drishtanta Shrotavyartham Agamavachanam प्रांग मधु ब्राह्मणां मंतव्यार्थम उपपत्ति प्रदर्शनेन मधु ब्राह्मणेन तु निदिध्यासन विधिरुच्यते इति. So according to भर्तृ प्रपंच, अन्यैहि व्याख्यातम आदुन्दुभि दृष्टान्तात् श्रोतव्यार्थम आगमवचनम प्रांग मधु ब्राह्मणात् मंतव्यार्थम उपपत्ति प्रदर्शनेन and madhu brahmanena tu nididhyasana. So he said, up to Dundubi Drishtanta, everything is Shrotavya. From Dundubi Drishtanta onwards is Mantavya, up to the end of Maitreya Brahmana. Madhu Brahmana is Nididhyasitavya. Nididhyasana Vidhi. Now somebody says Nididhyasana in Madhu Brahmana, what Nididhyasana? Nididhyasana means to do Chintanam of that same Vishaya. This is how that Acharya has presented. Tika. Drashtavyadi Vakyad Arabhya Adundubi Drishtantat Agama Vachanam Shrotavya iti Ukta Shravana Nirupanartham. So from Atmavare Drashtavya, starting from there up to Dundubi Drishtant, means actually there is only one mantra. Really speaking, sixth mantra is what he says is for Shravanam. Seventh mantra onwards is Mananam. Dundubi Drashtantad Arabhya Madhu Brahmanat Brahmanat pra Upapatti Pradarsanena. Mantavya. This is Mantavya part. Iti ukta manana nirupanartham agama vachanam. Nididhyasanam vyakyatum punah etad brahmanam ityartha. And this brahman is for nididhyasanam. So he has put it differently. Etad dushayati. What is nididhyasanam? Literal meaning is to do chintanam. Dhyai chintayam. So that chintanam should be effortless, ideally. So if throughout the day I am doing so much Shravanam Mananam, Brahmakar Vritti Chintanam should become effortless throughout the day. In the free time, what do I think? That is your Nididhyasana. So in my free time, if I think of this person, that person, or what I have to do and so many other things, then Nididhyasanam is not happening. Then for such people, you sit down for half hour at least, leave everything. So for at least 30 minutes, you will force yourself to think of Atma. This is the beginning step then. Then if you can do 30 minutes, then you do twice a day, morning 30. Why? Because you are not ready. You are not able to think of Brahma Tattva throughout the day. It is not spontaneously happening. Spontaneously, Anatma is coming so easily. Atma is not coming. So for that person, Niyama Vidhi or Parisankhya Vidhi? Niyama Vidhi is given. You sit down and do Nididhyasana. Then, when for long time it will happen, then for that person, Parisankhya Vidhi can be there. सर्वथापि तु यथा आगमे in भाष्य सर्वथापि तु यथा आगमेन अवधारितम तर्कतस तथैव मंतव्यम. Sarvathapi tu means in either way, whether you take this way division, that way division, if you say this is to remove Hetva Siddhi or to do Nigamanam, Yatha Agamena Avadharitam. As Agama has given, like that you have to do Tarka. Tarkatas Tathaiva Mantavya. That's how you have to do Mananam. Tika. Shravanadir Vidheyatve Avidheyatve Api Iti Yavat. Sarvatha means whether Shravana is Vidhi also or not Vidhi. Shravana, if you take it as Jnanam, then there is no Vidhi. If you take Shravanam as Kriya, then there could be Vidhi. See 8 number tippani. Shravanadehe Kriya Rupatva Pakshe Vidheyatvam. Jnana Rupatva Pakshe tu Avidheyatvam. How this difference will come? I had mentioned it once, but I will tell you again. In Drashtavya, there is no Vidhi. Atmavare Drashtavya. Why? Because Atma Darshanam is not Purusha Tantra. It is Vastu Tantra only. Therefore, there is no Apurva Vidhi. If you want, you can put Niyama or Parisankhya Vidhi. That is how we have seen. In Shravanam, if it is Jnanam, then in Jnanam there is no Vidhi. For example, if some noise is there outside and I don't want to hear that noise, I don't have choice. It is not Purusha Tantra. It will go in your head no matter what. So then there is no Vidhi. In Shravanadi, if you say it is Kriya, then there is Vidhi. So in Sadhana we said there is Vidhi. In Jnanam there is no Vidhi. Shravanam, if it is Kriya, means I am doing some Kriya, I am listening. Then there is Vidhi. Vidhi means then you should do this, you should study, you should listen. If Shravanam is Jnanam, how Shravanam is Jnanam? Vedantanam, what is Shravanam? Vedantanam, Asheshanam,
आदिमध्यावसानतः ब्रह्मात्मैक्य
ब्रह्मात्मन्येव तात्पर्यम्
iti dhihi,
इति धीहि श्रवणं भवेत्.
iti dhihi. Dhihi is Jnanam. So Shravanam is Jnanam according to this shloka, Panchadashi shloka. So then, if it is Jnanam, there is no Vidhi. If Shravana is Kriya, so if somebody says, I came, I have sat down, I am sitting in some atmosphere where I can do Shravanam, then it is Kriya. But if Shravana means understanding, and that too using Shadvid, Tatparya, Linga, etc., then there is no Vidhi. In this way they will say. अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम श्रवणे प्रवृत्तस्य तद पौष्कल्ये सति अर्थलब्धम मननम न विधिम अपेक्षते. अनुस्वार आपके पुस्तक में उसमें अनुस्वार है मननम. पृष्ठ क्रमांक 627, 627, third line from the bottom. श्रवणे प्रवृत्तस्य, not bottom means in टीका. हाँ, श्रवणे प्रवृत्तस्य तत्पौष्कल्ये सति अर्थलब्धम मननम न विधिम अपेक्षते. श्रवणे प्रवृत्तस्य अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम, थ्रू अन्वय एंड व्यतिरेक person who has engaged in Shravana. Shravane pravrittasya tat paushkalya sati, when Shravana is pushkala. Paushkalya sati means Shravanadi sampurtav. 10 number tippani says Shravanadi sampurtav. Sampurti means when you get the phalam. Shravanadi kriya purti is when Shravanasya phalam. Then Paushkalya sati arthalabdham mananam. Mananam is by default present there. Means if you have understood something, if there are questions, you will raise questions. If there are doubts, doubts will come to you. Why? Because you understood something and in that there are some gaps. So then mananam will happen. Like that nididhyasanam will also happen. This is a beautiful portion. Even though it is introduction to Madhu Brahmana, but so many Shravan Manan related ideas are clarified. Mananam na vidhim apekshate. Yatha tarkato matam tattvam tatha tasya tarkagamabhyam nishchitasya. Before that, see in Bhashya, second last line, Yatha tarkato. After that, what is the shabda given there? In No, your book, in that book, what is given? Yatha tarkato matam tasya. टीका में नहीं, भाष्य ऊपर सेकंड लास्ट लाइन, यथा तर्कतो मतस्य, मतस्य, हाँ, मतम तस्य इज गिवन, मेक इट मतस्य, यथा तर्कतो मतस्य तर्कागमाभ्याम निश्चितस्य, मतस्य मीन्स निश्चितस्य, हाउ, थ्रू तर्क एंड आगम, तथैव निदिध्यासनम क्रियते इति पृथंग निदिध्यासन विधि अनर्थक एव, सेपरेट निदिध्यासन विधि इज नॉट नीडेड. व्हाई? इफ यू हैव डन तर्कतः मननम and आगमतः श्रवणम, तत्वज्ञानम इज निश्चितम, निदिध्यासनम विल हैपन, शुड हैपन. तथैव निदिध्यासनम क्रियते इति पृथक, सेपरेटली निदिध्यासन विधि इज अनर्थक. नाउ सी टीका, यथा तर्कतो मतम तत्वम तथा तस्य तर्कागमाभ्याम निश्चितस्य उभय सामर्थ्यात् एव निदिध्यासन सिद्धौ तदपि विधि अनपेक्षम एव इत्यर्थः. तस्य तर्कागमाभ्याम निश्चितस्य, that which is निश्चित through tarka and agama, उभय सामर्थ्यात् एव, because of the two samarthya of shravana and mananam, nididhyasana siddhau, nididhyasana will happen. Therefore, tadapi vidhi anapeksham eva ityartha. So, if it is not happening, that means I still have to do shravana manana. But I can use some time and force myself and do some chintanam in this way. Trayanam vidhi anapekshatva phalitama. If there is no vidhi in all of them, shravanam, mananam, nididhyasanam, then tasmat pruthak prakarana vibhago anarthaka iti asmad abhiprayah. Pruthak prakarana vibhaga is not needed. Means Madhu Brahmana should not be a separate prakaranam, it should have been included in the previous one only. Iti asmad abhipraya. Therefore, Bhashyakar says, Nididhyasana vidhi was said by Bhartru Prapancha. Third line from the bottom in Bhashya, you see, Nididhyasana vidhir uchyate, Madhu Brahmanena. This was said by Bhartru Prapancha. Bhashyakar says, Nididhyasana vidhi is not needed, and therefore Pruthak Prakarana Vibhaga will become anarthaka. Iti asmad abhipraya. Shravana Manan Nididhyasananam iti. This is our abhipraya of Shravana Manan Nididhyasana. In Tika, iti parakiya vyakhyanam ayuktam iti shesha. And therefore, parakiya vyakhyanam, paraihi kritam, parakiyam, iya, cha pratyaya, parakiya vyakhyanam. New students, anybody knows this sutra? Anybody online?
आयनेयीय पढकचघां प्रत्ययादीनां.
Anybody else? Corrected version. Anybody else wants to tell the sutra? आयनेयीयः पठकचगां प्रत्यादीनां. सिद्धांते अपि श्रवणादि विधि अभ्युपगमात् कथम परकीयं प्रस्थानं प्रत्याख्यातम् इति आशंका. Somebody says श्रवणादि विधि, you are accepting श्रवणादि विधि अभ्युपगमात्. According to you, so then why you say parkiyam prasthanam is pratyakyatam? Why their thing is being refuted? इति आशंक्याः. सर्वथापि तु अध्याय द्वयस्य अर्थो अस्मिन् ब्राह्मणे उपसंह्रियते. सर्वथापि, in any case, अध्याय द्वयस्य अर्थः. What are the अध्याय द्वय? अध्याय द्वयस्य अर्थो अस्मिन् ब्राह्मणे उपसंह्रियते. So अध्याय द्वय means प्रथम अध्याय and द्वितीय अध्याय. And that's why the entire thing is called Madhukanda. Tika tadvidhi abhyupagame api iti yavat. Even if you accept vidhi, it is doing upasamhara of both the chapters. Tika. So this much is the introduction. एवं संगतिम ब्राह्मणस्य उक्त्वा तद अक्षराणि व्याकरोति. So now sangati, brahmana sangati is given. And therefore now aksharani vyakaroti means the mantra begins. See the mantra. Iyam prithvi sarvesham bhutanam madhvasyai prithvyai sarvani bhutani madhu yaschayam asyam prithivyam tejo mayo amrutamayah purusho यश्चायम अध्यात्मम शारीरस्तेजोमयो अमृतमयः पुरुषोयमेव स योयम आत्मेदम अमृतमिदं ब्रह्मेदं सर्वम्. This is the mantra. इयं पृथिवी सर्वेषां भूतानां मधु अस्यै पृथिव्यै सर्वाणि भूतानि मधु. Madhu means karyam. Here madhu is given as karyam. Madhu karyam. Prithvi is sarvesham bhutanam madhu. Prithvi is the karyam of all beings. पृथ्वी सर्वेषां भूतानां मधु अस्यै पृथिव्यै सर्वाणि भूतानि मधु. Of this Prithvi, all these bhutas are karya. What does this show? Paraspara upakarya upakaraka bhava between Prithvi and all bhuta. सर्वाणि भूतानि मधु. यश्चायम अस्याम पृथिव्याम तेजोमयः अमृतमयः पुरुषः. So see, Prithvi and Bhuta, this is Adibhuta. Up to Sarvani Bhutani Madhu, up to that is all Adibhuta. Then Yashtayam Asyam Prithivyam Tejomayaha Amrutamayaha Purushaha. This is Adidaiva. Asyam Prithivyam. In this Prithvi, there is one Tejomaya Amrutamaya Purushaha. Chaitanya, which is Devata. Means Tejomaya. And Yascha Ayam Adhyatmam Shariraha Tejomayo Amrutamaya Purusha. And its Adhyatma is this Sharira, this Atma. What is that? Ayameva so Yoyam Atma, which was said as Yoyam Atma means, see one number tippani. Yoyam Purvam Maitreya Idam Sarvam Yadayam Atma iti Pratignyatah. Sa eva Atma. This is the Ayam Atma. Ayam Atma was mentioned there. Idam Sarvam Yadayam Atma, that one. स एव आत्मा अयम उक्तः चतुर्विध मध्वात्मकः तदधिष्ठानात्मकः तेषां तद्विवर्ततया तदात्मकत्वात् न अन्य इत्यर्थः। Chaturvidha, when it is said, so you should understand in two ways it is Adhibhuta. It will come somewhere in Bhashya, I'm sure. Prithvi Rupa, Bhuta Rupa. And then Adidaiva, Adi, Adhyatma in this one. Tejomayo, Amritamaya, Purushaha. Yaschayam Adhyatmam, Shariras, Tejomayo, Amritamaya, Purusha. Ayameva Saha, Yoyam Atma. Idam Amritam, Idam Brahma, Idam Sarvam. Idam Amritam. This is Amritam, means this is nectar. Idam Brahma, this is Brahma. Idam Sarvam, when it is said, this Brahma Jnanam is the means to attain all. Means Brahma Jnanena Sarva Prapti. Adhibhuta, Adhyatma, Adhidaiva, Sarvasya Prapti. You become one with all. See, up till now how it is said, Brahma Jnanena Sarva Jnanam Bhavati. So this we understand how, because it is Upadana Karanam. Upadana Karana Jnanena Sarvasya Jnanam Bhavati. But Sarvasya Jnanam is that my objective. Somebody says, why do I want to know everything? I want everything. I don't want knowledge of everything. So what is said, that which is there in Swarga is already attained by you, because you are the self of Swarga. You are self of those Vishayas. You are self of everything that is there in Swarga. No, I want something from Brahmaloka. You are self of that Brahmaloka. Therefore, it is already attained. And therefore, Nana Vaptama Vaptavyam. There is nothing which is unattained. So, Idam Sarvam means Idam Sarvam Praptam. And Brahma Jnanam is the sadhanam for Sarva Prapti. See Tika now. Iyam Prithivi Prasiddha Sarvesham Nattika Bhashya. Iyam Prithivi Prasiddha Sarvesham Bhutanam Madhu. Sarvesham Brahmadi Stamba Paryantanam Bhutanam Praninam Madhu Karyam Madhu Iva Madhu. So Brahmadi Stamba Paryantanam Bhutanam Karyam is this Prithvi. How? Jiva's karmas, they all will create Vishayas. And then Jiva will get benefited from it. They will derive benefit. So some things, let us say they were created before even you were born, like this room. Before I was born, this room was created, because it is more than 100 years something. Okay. But you were supposed to be bhokta in this room. So your karma had already said that somebody will come and he is going to use this room, enjoy this room, whatever. So that prarabdha is associated. Similarly, Gangaji. So you say, your prarabdha is there. Why? Because Gangaji has to keep flowing. So even though Bhagiratha did his effort to bring Gangaji down, it is there in our prarabdha, so we have to enjoy Gangaji. Whatever hot, cold is there, clean water or with all the sand that comes during monsoon, etc., etc. Himalaya, that is also our prarabdha. So our prarabdha has created all these things. Each one's prarabdha put together. Then it will give sukham dukham. यथा एको मधु अपूपो अनेकैर मधुकरैर निर्वर्तिता एवं इयं पृथ्वी सर्वभूतैर निर्वर्तिता. Just as एको मधु, one मधु, apupah. Apupam is that honeycomb. Anekaihi madhukaraihi nirvartitah. So many madhukaras they come and they create it. Like that, this Prithvi is created by so many bhutas. Tika. Yaduktam madhu iva madhu iti tad vivranoti yatha. How it madhu means karyam, he explains. न केवलम उक्तम मधुद्वयम एव किंतु मध्वंतरम च अस्ति. Not only it is madhudvayam, but madhu antaram. Other than that also there is there in bhashya. तथा सर्वाणि भूतानि पृथिव्यै पृथिव्या अस्या मधु कार्यम. पृथिव्यै is chaturthi. So instead of that you have to take shashti. पृथिव्याः अस्याः मधु कार्यम. सर्वाणि भूतानि पृथिव्याः कार्यम. All beings are karya of Prithvi. किंच यश्चायं पुरुषो अस्यां पृथिव्यां तेजोमयश्चिन्मात्र प्रकाशमयो अमृतमयो मरणधर्मा पुरुषो यश्चायं अध्यात्मं शारीरः शरीरे भवः पूर्ववत् तेजोमयो अमृतमय पुरुषः. पृथिव्यां तेजोमयः यश्चायं पुरुषः अस्यां पृथिव्यां. In this पृथ्वी पुरुषः. पुरुष means the सूक्ष्म शरीर of that. What is the nature of that? तेजोमयः चिन्मात्र प्रकाशमयो अमृतमयः. Adidaivam, it is given in 7 number Tippani. So it is like Hiranyagarbha, who is Amarana Dharma means not dying regularly, continuously. That Purushaha is Yashayam Adhyatmam Shariraha, Sharire Bhavaha. Purvavat Tejomaya Amrita Purusha, such a Linga Abhimani, and it is Linga Abhimani. So Linga Abhimani means Hiranyagarbha. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.